Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to MOCA'S world. So it's been about 8 weeks since I got my terrace garden going. Now it's the middle of August. We've had some really chilly days up in the mountain area where I live, and now that that cold spell seems to be broken, we're going to have several days of warmth. So I wanted to do a status report on it, so let's go. I have these coriander seeds that I use in my cooking, and I wanted to plant a couple of the seeds to see if they will grow some nice cilantro plants. So I'm going to plant a few, not too many. These seeds are very dry, so I'm very curious to see if they will actually sprout. I love cilantro. It's like probably my favorite herb. So I think that's good. All right, and then I'm gonna just spray them with a little water. And push them down just beneath the surface. And cover them with a little bit of the soil. This is some composted soil that I recycled from my little garden. I'm going to cover that with a little bit of plastic wrap to give it that sort of greenhouse effect. And we'll see if they sprout. So I have these 2 pieces of my ginger. You have a nice big bulb here and another bulb here, so I thought I would plant them. So I'm going to just push it to just below the surface here, and the same with this one. I've never grown ginger before, so let's see how these do. Here are the callalus. They're not doing as well as I would like, but I'm still happy that they're starting to really grow. I think they don't like the colder weather. It's really been affecting them those days that we have cold weather in the middle of summer. But I think if the next days are warm, they'll really start to do well because I look forward to eating them. These are the bell peppers. They've gotten so tall. And look here. We have peppers starting to form there. I can't wait to eat them. When the sun is really intense, I have to spritz the leaves of the plants, otherwise they droop. Here is some of the scallion or green onions that I planted. Look how tall this one got. Really tall. And I've eaten a few, and they're just as delicious as when they were bought from the store. This pot has some strawberries from the forest. And next to that is a cabbage that I planted. It's doing really well. And remember, this was planted from a used cabbage. I just put the stalk in the soil. You can see here more new leaves are coming out there. Here's another one. This one, some creature is eating it, so I think I'm gonna have to trim it and maybe start taking off these outer leaves and using them before they all get eaten. This avocado seed was rooted in water. So this is a tomato plant, and look, we have one lovely red ripe tomato here and another one next to it. It's a little bit odd shaped. You can see there it's got sort of a line of some sort. It's just really odd shape, but I think that's just how it is. That probably will be the only one like that. Here's some more tomatoes. These are the cherry ones. Can't wait to try them. I think I'll let this one sit for another day or so out here to ripen some more. Here is a large tomato plant. I cut off several of the leaves. They were quite large, so I wanted to be able to produce tomato blossoms sooner. This avocado seed was planted directly into the soil, not rooted like the other one in water. Here we have the blueberry plants. I had to remove all the leaves because they all started to get dry after a while. But now look, they're starting to put out brand new leaves, so that's great. In this pot I have some other stuff there. I'm not quite sure what they are, but we'll see as they continue to grow. I don't know if it's blueberries. The leaves look a little bit different, but I could be wrong. So this is the second blueberry pot. This one, new leaves are coming out as well. We have some more over there. So hopefully they will all put out some new leaves. Here is one of the pots that I planted with the raspberries from the forest. And this seems to be really liking this pot because look, it's putting out new leaves. And here are some of the strawberries. They're also doing quite well. In this pot, new leaves. So remember the coriander seeds that I planted? I left it covered in this container here with this plastic, and look what's happening. We have 4 new little shoots coming out. We have this one, this one, this one, and this one. I planted several seeds, so I'm hoping more will come up, but I'm happy at least we have these 4. So I think I'll do another update towards the end of the summer into the fall season before winter hits. And maybe I'll do a harvest at that time because then I have to prepare them for winter. Yeah, let's see. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified about new episodes.